Good afternoon, I'm Chris May with Coldwell Banker Realty and welcome to my latest listing. This is 5156 Daylily Drive here in beautiful Braselton, Georgia. This home is very special and I'll tell you why in just a moment, but first let me give you the basics. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath ranch with 2,261 square feet of living space. The outside is wrapped in cement board siding with stone accents and it sits on just over a half acre in this non-HOA neighborhood of Golden Ridge. It also includes this large storage shed inside the fully fenced-in backyard. It's centrally located here off of Georgia 53, almost right in between the middle of both I-85 to the east and I-985 to the west, putting you only about 10 minutes or so from downtown Gainesville to the west, with all of its extremely high-rated medical facilities, as well as endless shopping and dining. To the east is the town of Braselton, also offering lots of shopping and dining, as well as Chateau Elan Winery, Road Atlanta, and multiple grocery stores are nearby. Now, here's what makes this home stand out as special. Just a little over 5 years ago, this home received an extensive renovation. That renovation took this home from builder grade to high end. Let's start at the front door because the builder grade door was replaced with this beautiful craftsman style solid wood door. As you enter, the open floor plan is very apparent. Starting with the big list of upgrades is the varied width scraped hardwood floors installed on almost the entire main floor minus the guest bedrooms. The floor plan was improved for a more open concept, opening the formal dining space to the family room and the kitchen, along with this large pass-through was added, which opened up the kitchen and the family room, and it also doubles as a walk-up bar space. This keeps the conversation going with guests while you're trying to entertain and working in the kitchen. Speaking of the kitchen, that's where the bulk of this renovation efforts were spent, including a complete gutting of all the builder-grade cabinetry, which was replaced with high-end cabinetry with fantastic details, such as this twin pull-out spice racks, conveniently located on both sides of the 6-burner gas cooktop, which is also equipped with this convenient pot filler. You'll notice the stunning tile backsplash and under the cabinet lighting. This massive center island was added with its contrasting color palette, massive workspace, and a second sink with a second garbage disposal. And now let's talk about this home's appliance package, which is unheard of in this home's price point. It's an all-matching Jenn-Air system, including a 6-burner gas cooktop, as I mentioned before, as well as the island holds a microwave drawer at one end and a warming drawer at the opposite end. There are double ovens, a quiet dishwasher, and even a trash compactor, both covered with matching cabinet fronts. And the massive Jenn-Air fridge tops it all off. Next to the kitchen is a good-sized breakfast area. And let's see some of those other upgrades throughout the home. The original stippled ceilings were all scraped off, and the ceilings are now smooth sheetrock with recessed can lights. The upgraded guest bath, also with granite vanity top, and even a light tunnel was added for more natural light. All the builder-grade light fixtures were replaced with high-end, unique fixtures throughout the home. Surround sound speakers were added to the kitchen, family room, and master bedroom, and it will include all the audio equipment for a full working system upon move-in. The guest bedrooms are all of good size, and it even has this unique feature wall in one of them. The owner suite is of good size as well, which includes the same wood floors, a large walk-in closet, plus behind the unique sliding barn door is the heavily renovated master bath with beautiful frameless glass and tile shower. Upgraded raised cabinetry with double vanity and granite countertops are present here as well. The renovation also included double French doors giving access to the expanded back patio with stone retaining wall, and there's an extensive drainage system working for you behind the scenes. This is a great entertaining space as there's also access from the second set of French doors added to the kitchen side as well. Upstairs, you'll find what used to just be a normal bonus room has now been heavily upgraded to be an actual bedroom with the full addition of a full bath. Beautiful tile work and granite countertops here as well. There's even an office space just outside the bedroom. Another sliding barn door helps keep the floor plan moving easy up here too. A new HVAC unit was installed in 2014, and that keeps the upper floor and the main floor at the same temperature, and there was even a whole house humidifier added. If you'd like more information or if you have any questions about this home, or you'd like to schedule your own private showing, please call me at 404-803-4669. Have you got a home to sell? Love to hear from you as well. please visit ravingfansrealestate.com and click the About button for more information. My listings always receive professional photos. I always do an HD video just like this one, and they're listed on 2 local multiple listing services and pushed to over 700 websites. Call me anytime or email me your questions at chris.may@cbrealty.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and as always, thanks for watching.